In today's video, I'll show you how to pair and connect AirPods to your Samsung phone. Let's get into the method. Open the Settings app first, and then tap on Connections. Now choose Bluetooth, and make sure it is turned on with the toggle switch. You can search for Bluetooth on the home page of the Settings app if you can't find it. Now we can switch our attention to the AirPods, as we need to get them into pairing mode. For most AirPods, all you need to do for this is open the lid of the case, but keep the AirPods inside, and then hold the button on the back of the case until the light starts flashing white. For other AirPods, you may need to double tap on the front of the case to get the light flashing white, or on AirPods Max, hold the noise control button. I'll leave a link in the description that shows the method for each type of AirPods, so feel free to check that. Make sure your AirPods are close to your Samsung phone whilst we pair them. They should now show up on the list, so look for your AirPods name. It might mention Find My in the name for them, and then tap on them here. Now tap on Pair when this prompt appears. If you don't see any devices on the list, tap on Scan at the top and wait a moment. If they still don't show up, try pairing your AirPods again with the button. They should now connect, and you can either tap on them or tap on the cog icon next to them here to manage them on your device. For example, this is where you can forget or unpair them in the future. Check they are set to headphones here as well. To try them out, make sure the volume is turned up. Put them in your ears and change the volume to see if they work. You can tell when they are active as the volume slider should show the Bluetooth icon. If you have your AirPods connected to an iPhone as well, you may see a message called In Use by Another Device on your iPhone, but your AirPods should still work as normal when they aren't in use by your Samsung phone. That's how to pair and connect AirPods to your Samsung phone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.